All right, this is Leetcode problem 938, range sum of binary search tree. Given the root node of a binary search tree, return the sum of values of all nodes with value between L and R inclusive. The binary search tree is guaranteed to have unique values. So let's go ahead and look at binary search tree. The example they give is this, and the left is 7, the right is 15. So we're looking for values that are between 7 and 15. So 10, 7, and 15 are all between those inclusive values. And so we'd sum that up and return 32 as the answer. So there's a couple ways that we can do this. We can do it with a full traversal of the binary search tree, which you could do with pre-order, in-order, or post-order, or you could do a depth first search, and since it is a binary search tree, we don't have to go past those values where it's greater than or less than the right or left, and that will increase the speed in which we traverse these trees, especially if the trees start to get very large. So once we get to 15, we don't have to look any farther because we know that nothing past that is going to be less than 15, and same goes for the left side. So let's go ahead and code this up. So we start with a stack and a total of 0, and we can initialize our stack actually with root being the first element. And so we'll say while stack has items on it, we'll pop the last item off the stack, set that to node. We'll say if node, so if node is not none or evaluate, if node evaluates the true, then we'll process it. We'll say if node.val is greater than or equal to our left and less than or equal to our right, then we know that we've got a value within the range, and so we'll increment total by that value. Now if left is less than node.val, then we'll append it to the stack. So we'll keep searching that down that path. And if right is greater than node.val, then we'll go ahead and keep searching down that way because we know we've still got items to find. And then we'll go ahead and return total. And that's basically it. That's all you got to do. You start with a stack, you pop items off the stack, you evaluate them and say, are they within the bounds that are the range that we're dealing with? If so, increment our total. And then we'll only keep traversing if node is within our bounds, meaning if we want to look down that path and we know that there's going to be more stuff to find, then we'll keep going. Otherwise, we'll just ignore it, and eventually stack will empty out and we'll return our total. Oops, this is not in the right place. There you go. All right, let's submit this. Forgot the equals sign. Okay, cool. There's a valid solution. Hope it helped, and thanks for watching.